Turck has a reputation for building reliable global partnerships, and our harness team is no exception. With a wide breadth of expertise and capabilities that your average harness provider simply cannot compete with, Turck offers solutions that allow you to install and rest easy, knowing that your systems are running reliably. We understand there are quite a few options to consider when choosing your connectivity partner. From both power and signal to connectivity solutions for inside and outside the cabinet, Turck partners with customers to ensure all of their cable assembly needs and harness needs are met. Our industry-leading harness team offers a wide range of services for optimized harness solutions. Whether you already know the exact requirements of your application or simply have a problem you need solved, Turck has built long-standing partnerships on providing unsurpassed automation expertise. Turck's harness team, coupled with our industry-leading connectivity expertise, excels in finding solutions for your most demanding applications, giving you a reliable partner in the connectivity world. From standard everyday issues to one-of-a-kind challenges that our competitors won't touch, we never shy away from a challenge. Where others say no, Turck finds a way.